Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you a complete guide on how to turn off Vibrate notifications in WhatsApp groups on your Android device. It's a quick and easy process, so let's jump right in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the three dots at the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Tap Settings. Step 4. Now, tap on Notifications. Step 5. Look for the Groups option and tap on it. Step 6. Within the group notification settings, locate the Vibrate option. Step 7. Finally, select Off to turn off Vibrate notifications for WhatsApp groups. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Vibrate notifications for WhatsApp groups on your Android device. Now, you can enjoy a more peaceful messaging experience without the constant vibrations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tech guides. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.